Hello and welcome to How to Film Weddings. My name is Nick Miller, and today I want to talk to you about embedding your Mediazilla collection into your website. If you're like me, you don't necessarily like sending over just the digital gallery in Mediazilla because maybe it doesn't fit your brand. So I want to show you what I have done in my business, Wild Oak Films, and how I deliver all of my stuff to my clients. So this is Adam and Makara's wedding collection, and I have this thing. I took some stills, made this little header here, and then here is their site. So here is a little example that I made really quick about what it does whenever you embed the code directly from Mediazilla if you just copy that link and put it in. Now, I changed the parameters to make it fill up the screen just a little bit more, but you get the idea. So this is what it would look like. And then whenever, let's say someone's on a different size monitor and they want to look at your thing, it's going to be, look, like it doesn't scale. Okay, it doesn't change the size. And when you're on your phone, which most people are probably watching this stuff on, it's the same way, and it's really hard to navigate the whole thing whenever it's not scalable. So I did some digging around and I found a solution. So as you can see, I have added some coding, and the video actually scales with the website. So I want to show you how to do that so that it looks nice and uniform on all of your site. So I'm going to jump in and show you how I do my process and how I get this done. I want to let you know that I am using a Squarespace website, but I know that this same approach will work for WordPress or whatever else that you might be using for your website when it comes to the scaling and all that. So I'm going to log into my account here. Okay, so I go and I just duplicate the page, because whenever you duplicate the page, then everything is just, set exactly how you want it to be. All you have to do is just swap out images. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in and edit it. So the first thing I'll do just really quick is I will change this header image so that it is the one that I made. So now for the coding part of this, what you need to do is you go to your Mediazilla, and then all of your settings that you want. So I copy this custom or this embed code right here, and then when I come over here and I edit. This is a custom code block that I have the video in. So you click on this little thing, and the one thing that I need, so like I said, I just copy paste the whole time. So it's this little autoplay code right here that you need to copy over. And I just replace it. Then delete that, hit set, hit apply, and there we go. So then I just send them this link over to look at their wedding gallery. They can download everything right here. I just have instructions, follow the prompts and do all of that. And then now they can have their stuff, and it's on brand and it's on point with my business. So if you're interested in this code to make it scalable, I will put that in the description below. And then you just insert that little, autoplay part of the code into your embed, and it will do the same thing for you. I hope that you found this little quick tutorial helpful. I know that I had to do some digging to make it so that I could make my gallery scalable on my Squarespace website. So what do you guys think of Mediazilla? Is this a product that you guys use? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please share it with someone else that could also find it beneficial. Have you heard of the How to Film Weddings podcast? We have a new episode each week, and you can listen to it on iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, YouTube, wherever podcasts are found. We have also recently launched the How to Film Weddings Facebook group. Search How to Film Weddings in Facebook and then join. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.